Okay, I will choose this one.
Build a 5-story cart house. No, I do the 50 push-ups.
Well, I learned everything at Theiss because I grew up as a lawyer in Theiss. I started as a trainee and then moved up to a partner.
I can really honestly say I've learned so much from the partners and the senior associates that I worked with when I was still an associate. Okay, this is not going well.
And you do get a lot of trust from your partners. So you do get to work on your own, even with clients.
I had the perfect mentors to guide me through the way. So I'm really grateful to the firm and mostly to my mentors.
For me, it's one of the motivating factors at Theiss to see our people growing. What do you think?
I feel that over the years I'm better and better as a lawyer, and that's why I'm grateful for that. To be honest, I thought it would be much worse than actually it looks like. You know?